Integrated Food Projects and NIRAS, coming together as one to become the UK's leading voice in the food and beverage industry. To manufacture food in a way that protects the planet requires expertise and care. Two qualities that have placed IFP and NIRAS at the forefront for decades. Our secret has been the ability to evolve with ever-changing needs. And right now, the world is evolving towards sustainable solutions, which is why IFP is evolving into NIRAS. One identity, one common goal, everyone benefits. Together, we become part of a purpose-led foundation with global reach. We listen, we learn, we deliver, drawing on our values to become a complete provider, able to assist clients wherever they are on their journey. Most importantly, we become a client's first choice partner in finding sustainable manufacturing solutions so that the planet may continue providing us with its greatest gift, food. To find out more, visit niras.com.